something is not known to us, we can use variables for that. And what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is I can say let Rohit's age be
X.
equal to X. यार तुम लोग तो सब पता है. I'm thinking like I need to be really careful, but ऐसा लगता है I'm unnecessarily getting. So you guys have some idea what I'm talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. That helps me. So yeah, X is a variable, and I use any. I could have used P also, right? There's
Yes, sir.
no fuss about X. X, P, A, B, कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's just kindly just make sure that it is a small alphabet and not like a big capital one. बड़ा नहीं. As it is कोई आफत नहीं है, but it is a convention, and convention is a norm. It's a practice. है ना? It's a practice. अब ऐसा तो है नहीं कि भाई क्रिकेट में मतलब आपको मतलब 6 प्लेयर्स होंगे तो क्रिकेट नहीं खेल पाओगे. But usually when you are playing an official match, you play with 11, right?
Yep, sir.
So it's kind of something which is followed. So what is being followed is to use small alphabet. So so when I assume some value for x, then it becomes easy for me to express this, and I can say I can write an expression for this statement and say that when x is added by 5, so this is what I can write it to, where x is the age of Rohit. समझ पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
यानी किसी भी चीज को मैं एक्सप्रेशन बना सकता हूं. कोई भी स्टेटमेंट होगा उसका मैं मैथमेटिकल, एंड दिस इज ए एक्सप्रेशन. अभी एक्सप्रेशन है, इट्स नॉट ए इक्वेशन येट. एक्सप्रेशन में इक्वल टू साइन नहीं होगा. डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन एक्सप्रेशन एंड एन इक्वेशन इज एक्सप्रेशन में सारी चीजें होंगी बट एक इक्वल टू साइन मिसिंग होगा.
Okay, sir.
इक्वल टू साइन जहां पे लग गया तो वो एक इक्वेशन बन गई.
All right.
सो ऐसे आपको सबसे पहला जो काम जो करना होगा ना would be when I will give some statements to you like this, and you will assume some variable for whatever is not known in the problem and write an expression for that statement. क्या समझ पा रहे हैं आप मेरी बात?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, what I will give is I will give you some statements wherein I would expect that you assume some variable and write an expression similar to this. So when you have this, तो इसका आपने expression बना दिया. But what if I had written something else also? That Rohit's age when added by 5 gives 15. तो अब इसके लिए क्या बन जाता?
सर इसमें एक्सप्रेशन ये बनता है x plus 5 is equals to 15.
Great. SS?
Yes, sir. Same.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
अब कोई अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे आपको लिख के दूं सपोज, तो यानी हमने लिखा कि gives. तो gives मतलब it something like gives is that it is the result of whatever has happened before it.
Yes, sir.
So x when added by 5, yeah, age when added by 5 gives 15. So when something is like this 15 is what you expect on the right hand side of the equal to sign. And any word which gives or becomes is equal to, और कहीं पे explicitly भी लिख सकते हैं. These words or phrases kind of symbolize that there is a equality which is being talked about in this particular sentence.
Okay, sir.
So let's write some expressions and equations for using sentences. मैं आपको sentences यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ.